natapos din guys, natapos. Shoutout ma'am. Ilang. Shoutout. Team Kabady, Tisoy Mix Traveler, sabihin mo buddy yung hindi ko maalap. Papa Rams, siyempre, Chef Dudes. At si Ma'am Johara, Pet Malu PH. Ano pa? Sir Alex 5. Si Pobreng Cagayano. Si Kenotski. Si Jerry Vlog. Bade Cesar. Ma'am Lourdes Cabal Quinto. Ano ba? Yung hindi namin nasabi guys, pasensya na. Sino ba? Sherlan, di ba nasabi? Sherlan. Shoutout. At pasensya na hindi kami nakapag-shout kanina kasi maraming tao at saka nakakalimutan talaga namin. So sa mga Team Kabady, kahit nakalimutan namin kayo, para sa atin to at success, di ba? Buddy. Ayun nga pala, ayan, may regalo. At saka may ano guys, may certification. Certificate. Ayan, may certificate na ibinigay yung Barangay Kabanbanan. Yun. So again, shout out si Pet Malu, tapos lang sabi na si Buddy Pet Malu. Pet Malu PH, Tisoy Mix Traveler, Papa Rams yun, shout out. Yun again, Sniper Dudes, Chef Dudes, out! Nakakain ba kayo? Nakakain? Nakakain kayo? Nabigyan kayo? Ha? Thank you, thank you. Nakakain kayo?
Hindi po.
Hindi kayo nakakain?
Bahay po. Bahay na lang.
Ay, inuwi nyo na lang. Okay. Kayo, nakakain kayo? Busog, busog. Nabusog ka? Busog. Nakakain kayo? Ha? Nakakain kayo? Busog. Busog. Ano sila watak-watak guys. So, yung iba nandun sa gilid. Dito. At hindi lang yan. Maliban dito sa likod. Meron pa dito. Ay, nasa na yun? Wala na ito. Dito. Yun. At salamat nga pala sa sa Sangguniang Kabataan dito sa Barangay Kanaban. Barangay Kabanbanan pala guys. Yun, maglalaro pa ulit, maglalaro.
and scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase the bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. Slowing down, I'll give up everything. Daunting though, if I could see my dreams, I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. Don't let go, don't let go.
Nandito pa rin kami sa Barangay Kabanbanan yan. Hindi na ako nagkamali Barangay Kabanbanan yan. Ongoing pa rin yung nagpapalaro pa rin sila sa loob. Dito lang ako sa labas kasi masyadong dito maingay. Pero okay lang naman kasi nagpapalaro naman sila. So shoutout nga pala kay kay Ma'am Ilang-Ilang. Ganda ng lugar nila dito guys, sobrang ganda, grabe. Dito pinanganak ko. Ito yung lugar ni Pet Malo at saka ni Chef Judes. Right, so yung Mix Traveler, Papa Rams, Pet Malo PH, Sir Alex 5. Alright, so siyempre si Chef Judes yung natin dito, yung sponsor nag-sponsor din siya, at saka sponsor pa rin niya yung venue. Alright, at saka si Pobreng Cagayano, shoutout. At sino pa? Yung hindi ko, Papa Rams TV, Kenotski, Ma'am Johara, shoutout. At sino pa ba? Tisoy Mix Traveler, right? Buddy, Tisoy Mix Traveler, yun, shoutout sa'yo. Alright, so ang dami, di ko na maalala. At ang ganda lang lugar nila dito guys.
Empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from
Remix Vlog, shoutout. Ma'am Lourdes Cabalquento, shoutout din po. At sino pa? Yung mga nakalimutan ko, pasensya na po. At sobrang dami natin, pero lahat ng to para sa Team Kabali. Alright, Papa Ram, shoutout. Kinotski, shoutout. Bicola na Explore, shoutout. Alright, so yun si Ma'am, sinasabi ko na si Ma'am Probinsyanong Cagayano. Cagayanong Probinsyanong ba? Yun. So shoutout. Balik tayo sa loob guys.
leading program for Kabataan. 1 minute ika-participate bersama dengan kabataan
natapos din. Salamat sa Sangguniang Kabataan ng Barangay Cabanbanan. Salamat.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.